Revolution R180 Smart Toaster Review. The future of breakfast is here. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the smartest kitchen gadgets I've ever tested, the Revolution R180 Connect Plus Smart Toaster, complete with the Toastie press and warming rack bundle. This isn't your average toaster. It's got a touchscreen, smart sensors, Wi-Fi connectivity, and a 40-plus bread type selection system that automatically adjusts to the perfect toast level every time. If you've ever wanted cafe-level toast or perfectly melted grilled sandwiches at home, this might be the upgrade you didn't know you needed. Let's see if this futuristic toaster really earns its premium price tag. Inside the box, you'll find the Revolution R180 Connect Plus Smart Toaster, a stainless steel warming rack, the Toastie press, a quick start guide, and power cord. Right out of the box, it looks gorgeous, modern, sleek, and surprisingly compact considering the technology packed inside. The mirror-polished stainless steel body and bright-color touchscreen display instantly make it feel like the Tesla of toasters. The build quality is excellent. No cheap plastic, everything feels premium and solid. You can tell this was designed to stand out on your kitchen counter. Let's talk features, because this toaster has a lot. Touchscreen display. The 5-inch intuitive touchscreen replaces traditional knobs and dials. You can select from over 40 bread types. Everything from white, wheat, bagels, English muffins, waffles, toaster pastries, and even gluten-free options. Smart toasting algorithms. The R180 uses smart toasting algorithms and a digital heating system that recognizes the bread type and adjusts heat and time automatically. It even toasts from frozen, fresh, or reheat mode perfectly, no burnt edges or cold centers. 7. Browning levels. You get 7 customizable browning levels, so whether you love your toast barely golden or dark and crunchy, the R180 nails it every time. Smart connectivity. With the Connect Plus model, you get Wi-Fi connectivity through the Revolution Cooking app. You can track usage, download firmware updates, and even access new bread settings as they're added, which means your toaster actually gets smarter over time. Quick toasting. One of the standout features is its fast heating system. The R180 toasts up to 35% faster than traditional toasters. No preheat time, it's instant radiant heat, safety and cool touch design. It's designed to stay cool on the outside, and it automatically lifts your toast high enough that you'll never have to go fishing for it again. Now, this bundle includes 2 awesome accessories. The Toastie press. This turns your toaster into a mini sandwich maker. Simply insert your sandwich into the press, place it in the slot, and let the toaster melt your cheese and crisp your bread at the same time. Think grilled cheese in 3 minutes. No pan, no mess. The warming rack perfect for croissants, buns, muffins, or anything too thick for a toaster slot. It gently warms pastries or rolls without drying them out. Together, these add a whole new level of versatility. You can make breakfast sandwiches, paninis, or even heat up leftover pizza slices. It's not just a toaster anymore. Oh, it's a mini smart oven for your countertop. All right, let's put this toaster to the test. Test 1. Standard white bread. At level 4, it produced a perfect even golden brown on both sides. The edges were crisp, the center soft, and it took about 90 seconds total. Test 2. Bagel mode. Bagel mode toasts the cut side only while gently warming the outer shell. The result was restaurant quality. Crisp inside, soft outside, with that satisfying crunch. Test 3. Frozen waffle. Using the frozen setting, it automatically adjusted the time and nailed it. No soggy centers or burnt edges. Test 4. Toastie press sandwich. We made a ham and cheese melt, golden, evenly toasted, with melted cheese throughout. Honestly, this might replace my panini press. Test 5. Pastry on warming rack. I tested a leftover croissant. After 3 minutes on low, it came out perfectly warm, flaky, and buttery. It's a game changer for brunch mornings. Every test came out consistent, and that's what really stands out. Precision. You can repeat the same setting over and over and get identical results. The Revolution Cooking app adds even more. You can update firmware for new bread settings, See toasting history and usage stats. Get maintenance alerts, like crumb tray reminders. Customize profiles for different users in your household. It's surprisingly practical, especially if you share a kitchen or like different toasting preferences. Pros and cons. Pros. Sleek, futuristic design. Extremely fast and consistent toasting. 40+ bread settings and 7 browning levels. Smart touchscreen with intuitive controls. Toastie press and warming rack add real value. Smart app updates and features. Great for families or foodies. Cons. Premium price. It's definitely a luxury toaster. Requires Wi-Fi setup for full functionality. Only fits standard slices. Extra wide bread may need to be trimmed. Is it worth it? So, is the Revolution R180 Connect Plus smart toaster worth the investment? If you're someone who toasts daily, bagels, sandwiches, pastries, and you appreciate precision and convenience, absolutely yes. It's not just about toast. It's about speed, consistency, and bringing smart home tech to the breakfast table. The Toastie press alone makes it fun and practical, especially for quick lunches or snacks. And the fact that it's software upgradable means you're not buying a product that becomes obsolete in a year. Sure, it's pricey, but it's one of those kitchen gadgets that genuinely changes your daily routine. So that's my full review of the Revolution R180 Connect Plus Smart Toaster Bundle. If you're ready to elevate your breakfast game, I'll drop a link in the description where you can check out the latest price and bundle deals. A link to this toaster will be in the description, and I will pin it in the comment section. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more smart kitchen tech reviews just like this one. Drop a comment below and tell me, what's the one kitchen gadget you can't live without? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.